Hello and welcome back to Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable GPS location on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin. First, you want to simply expand the control center. Then head into Preferences. Inside Preferences, you can scroll down until you will see a section called Original. Click it, and right at the top we see GPS currently being enabled. We can also disable it by simply clicking it and switching to off. Or we can enable it by simply clicking it and you'll never guess it, clicking on. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.